Tu esi vienīgais cilvēks ar kameru, kuram es tagad nesistu varbūt.
The only chance to win this rally, you have to go 110% from the first meter.
Bail ir vairāk par to, kā tas izdosies.
I know this guy, if everything goes right, could be a world champion in the future.
You know, this is home, it's Riga, it's Miganiki racetrack.
Savelkot izdevumus, ierauga mīnuszīmi ar 6 0.
That's all about rallying. I mean, we did what we could.
Viņš brauc distancē, kaut kas ir atties ar Mārtiņu.
WRC is not easy.
No, in every aspect.
Dzīve bez apstājas.